Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make a witch outfit in Dress to Impress. So if you're ready to cast a fashion spell in DTI, whether it's spooky season or you're just feeling that magical vibe, this witch outfit hack will have you looking wicked stylish in no time. So first you can just use this green skin tone, and you can use any scary makeup that you like. And for the hair, I prefer you use long hair from the hairstyles in here. Let's say I'm going to use this one, and I'm going to make it in black color. Okay, now after you're done with the hair, let's just do the outfits. Okay, I'm going to use a dress and I'm going to make it all black. So here, let's just use this tops right here, and I'm going to toggle it into one like this and change all of the color into black. And now for the shoes, I'm going to use this ones right here, and again change it all of the color into black again. So now let's add some accessory for the witch. Here I'm going to use this rose as a cauldron and toggle it to the side. And lastly, let's put on the witch hat. So since you need to use VIP to be able to use the witch hat, and if you don't have one, you can just use this sun hat right here and just color it however you like. So now it's done. This is the final look for the witch set. So no VIP needed, just creativity and little magics. It's perfect for Halloween themes, roleplay, or standing out in fashion show. So if you love this witch outfits, you can comment below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and click on the thanks for more magical outfit hacks. I'll see you all on the next tutorials. Bye!